Setting up a Bitcoin cold wallet is a crucial step in securing your cryptocurrency investments. A cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, is a physical device that stores your private keys offline, protecting them from hackers and online threats. Here is a step-by-step guide to setting up a Bitcoin cold wallet. First, choose a reputable cold wallet manufacturer, such as Ledger or Trezor. Purchase the device directly from the manufacturer or an authorized reseller to ensure authenticity. Once you receive the device, follow the manufacturer's instructions to initialize it. Next, create a PIN code to secure your device. This PIN code will be required every time you access your wallet. Make sure to choose a strong and unique PIN code that you can remember. Write down the recovery seed, which is a list of words that will help you recover your wallet in case you lose the device or forget the PIN code. Now, install the wallet software on your computer or mobile device. The software will guide you through the process of setting up your cold wallet and creating a new wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet and set up the device. Once the wallet is set up, send a small amount of Bitcoin to the wallet to test it. This will ensure that the wallet is functioning properly and that you can receive and send Bitcoin. Make sure to use the correct wallet address and follow the manufacturer's instructions for sending and receiving Bitcoin. To further secure your wallet, consider using a passphrase in addition to the PIN code. A passphrase is an additional layer of security that will be required every time you access your wallet. Use a strong and unique passphrase that you can remember. Finally, store your cold wallet in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. Make sure to keep the recovery seed and passphrase in a separate and secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking app. By following these steps, you can set up a secure Bitcoin cold wallet and protect your cryptocurrency investments from online threats. Remember to always follow best practices, such as using strong and unique PIN codes and passphrases, and storing your wallet in a safe and secure location.